It's Sunday, June 8th. It's about 6 o'clock right now. Sun's is setting, and so updates on the garden, and also I'm putting on this mask because of the smoking and vaping coming from the next door facility here. They're basically operating what you call it, an adult home facility, and they have multiple tenants smoking. In addition to that, the workers also smoke and vape. Okay, so this is uh, this one is Suriname cherry, and then my Longan here started from seeds 2009, and has finally flowered for me. Let's see if it's gonna produce any fruits, but let's see. Where's the flowers? There. Let's see. Flowers right there. That is looking like a flower there, you see? That's a flower. So, since 2009, finally flowered. That's a Longan. Okay, and this is the Caracara orange. So last year, after I did remove the some of the roots, the crisscross roots, overlapping roots, and it didn't have any fruits last year. So this year it comes back with a vengeance. I mean, the flower was loaded. It was like everywhere. It was like white. The tree was like totally white. And you can see the fruits here. You see a whole bunch of fruits everywhere. 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 You see that? It's like, making up for the lost time. So again, I've been preaching about, healthy roots and the trunk. So what I did last year was, my previous video, you can look at the previous video, cut some of the roots that was sitting on top of each other. So I removed like soil that was like all the way over here. I didn't know any better when I started, planting. It's like giving so much mulch. And, like some people probably think it's a good thing, just to have, mulch all the way, like grasses that you cut and then put it right next to it. That's gonna rot the trunk. Okay? So don't do that. It's better to leave it exposed like this, because then you forces the roots to get fatter, thicker, quicker that way, because it's gonna try to like go search for, resources and bring it up to the tree. So you see how beautiful this tree is. See, fruits everywhere. So I'm also like air laying this branch, because looking at a tree, I don't want to be wide. I mean, it would be nice if it was taller above my head and this wide. Right now, you see, it's like hard to get around it. Like, that's why I'm air laying this one branch so I can have another tree. Plus, it'll make it easier for me to walk around there. So this is the other tree that I did the same thing with the roots, branches system. And look at last year I didn't have any fruits either. So now there's a whole bunch of fruits, like it's everywhere. Every freaking branch. This is the honey. I love the honey mandarin. You see this? It's like all over. Every second branch has all these fruits. I mean, it looks amazing. So I think it's worth it to take your time and work on the root system. So now look at this. See, so I think what happened here is the rats were chewing on it. So I'm gonna have to add some more soil here. So you see how it actually like forces the roots to go down into the soil. So see, I remove some of these roots that were crisscrossing each other. So now I use this trying to protect it from the rats because they were trying to eat it, chew on it. So look at her. See, so much fruits. It's amazing, you see? Right? Now, this is the pomegranate. It's my pomegranate from seed that I started. Look at the flowers, so beautiful. I love pomegranate. They have such gorgeous flowers. And you see this? Look at the flowers. Beautiful flowers. Big, beautiful flowers. So now you see, this is the pomegranate tree that I started. So I air layered this one too because the other branch was coming off from there, and it was basically like, too many trunks. So I want to be able to walk underneath it. So you see, it's easier, makes it look nicer and cleaner. So you see, it's beautiful. It's gonna be a lot of fruit this year too. Last year it got almost like 100 fruits, and these trees, it makes it. It's like the seed is not tough, it's soft, and the fruit is crispy. It's nice and crispy and sweet, really sweet. So it's from seed. I started from seed. Well, I didn't start it. It was self-started by itself. I don't know where it came from. Maybe because from the fruit that I ate. I don't know. But so the other one is this pomegranate seed. It seems actually is doing pretty good too, because I think it was dying somewhat right here. See, I excavate, removes the soil. You see, so that it doesn't, because it used to cover it here, and it was basically starting to rot to the trunk. Same thing with this Cherimoya tree. Right now, this freaking mulberry tree is covering the whole entire thing. It's killing these trees too. But you see that I removed quite a bit of soil from there. So this is a same thing, lychee tree. No flowers this year. It's been a couple of years. I think 5-6 years already. So yep, it's coming along. Okay, so this is the kefir lime tree that I also did the root trimmings on. So it's really nice. You see, I trimmed some of the roots. So I did a videos on it too. You can go take a look at it on the roots, how much I trimmed.